Okay, for all you Ram Hemi lovers, tell me if I'm right, and I believe I am. So go ahead, Chris, and tell me if this is a lifter noise. And it's not your typical lifter noise. This is only when the eco mode comes on. Just starting there. It was just about to start. You gotta turn traction off, yep. Ooh, that rat's hot. There it is. It sounds like it really does sound like lifters are slapping, not like the normal tick that they do, but like a really fast rhythmic rattling almost. This is a new one. I haven't heard that one before, but you can hear it clear as day on the top left hand side, and you can also hear a little bit on the bottom. But I believe this is going to be another lifter job, maybe a camshaft on this one. We'll see.